Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a greener grass, a greener lawn that can get striped and make it more obvious as far as the stripes, this video is for you. So this product right here is the old liquid iron, not an iron supplements. This is an iron, let's just say topical that you use on grass using a sprayer. Check it out. So using a dial sprayer like this or something comparable. This one works great. Just got to remember to wash out the inside after every use. And then you have this here, really dark, but can be diluted based on how you adjust the dial. To understand how much you're going to want to dilute it, basically you're going to adjust based on how much acreage or how many square feet of grass you have. What I typically do is fill it up based on how much I'm trying to put in the yard, and I put the rest, I dilute it with water, and then I adjust this to whichever one I'm going to need. And sometimes it takes me a couple times to go over the lawn because I just want to make sure I top it all off and use all of it in the square footage of a lawn that I'm using, and you're going to get these results. So this is what it looks like after you put the iron on the grass. You can tell here it is dark, and when you stripe it just right with the mower, this is a push mower, walk behind push mower, and you got a little bit of weight on the back, get these nice stripe actions. So if you're not putting iron down, you're not getting the darkness. In this example, this is fescue grass. You can't go wrong with this iron supplement. Hope that helps. Talk to you soon.